Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Roxanne and this is my unboxing channel. Today we are going to be doing Topbox. I think I just let everything down, whoops. I didn't get a pre-box this month. I did get a regular box. Topbox is a Canadian company. They do ship to all parts of Canada. It is $12 a month plus taxes, according to your local province. It does ship out monthly. It is a monthly box, right? And it does ship out about the 15th. They do take the payment out the 20th on the month before. And then between the 23rd and the 27th, they are getting earlier and earlier. They do send out an email saying, hey, instead of the mystery box, do you want to upgrade? This month, nothing enticed me. I believe there were some hand creams, maybe a mask set. I'm not 100% sure. It's been 3 or 4 weeks since I last looked at them. So I got the regular box. I have seen some spoilers and I haven't been too thrilled because it looks like we may be getting doubles. I'm not sure. I'll have to look. I did get box 2. Anyway, if you guys want to, I want to thank you for watching. I appreciate all the views. And let's get into this box. Already I see an item I have gotten before. So there's the box there. Unfortunately, you can't see any more of it. I'm a little disappointed. We just got this. The Hadkura Butterful Marijuana or Malual Buttercream in citrus. I'm not sure why they did this 2 months in a row. They have been getting better and then all of a sudden, boom. I just used it and it is nice cream. I'm not really going to complain, but it would have been nice to get something new. I will send them an email to see what they say. So this right here will be going into a gift bag. I got this in the editor's box. It is a nice brown pink. I am wanting to try it, but I don't need 2 of the same nail polishes, so that is a definite no for me. So the next item here I see is Sebastian's Dark Oil. It is a hair oil. I'm not 100% sure about this. This might suit my daughter because she sometimes has dry hair, but it also looks, she says she thinks greasy. I don't think so. But they gave us a full size as an add-on. So I know this is expensive. I believe it was sometime last year. I should wear my brace. So then the last item I see here is the Gimme Brow Volumizer. Now I've gotten this before. Like I've gotten all of these items. Like how does Topbox do this? They go from having phenomenal boxes to like seriously. This is such a disappointment. I am so disappointed. Out of all of my boxes, Topbox has taken the worst box of April. And I haven't even gotten Look Fantastic yet. So they gave this out as samples, so now I'm paying for this as well as getting it free. Well, I try not to complain, but I mean, I don't know, like, they were doing so well. Like, I understand, okay, the nail polish, it's full size, it's probably worth $4 or $5. I feel like this box is so empty, like, okay, so I guess I'll have to try this hair oil and see what it's like. I believe my daughter used the full size one last time because my hair is awfully, greasy after a day or two when I use any other products besides like just shampoo and some, I do have growth serum that I've been trying out. So this for $12. Thanks, Topbox. I think this was definitely a miss this month. Should I stay? I'm not sure. I mean, I just got some pretty awesome stuff from Ipsy and even BoxyCharm. Like, sorry guys, I don't know. Does anyone interested in like this? Like, I'll definitely use the buttercream. It is a nice cream, but I just got a bunch of the Boom Boom cream, so Maybe I'll gift it to somebody for their birthday, and definitely gift the nail polish. The other 2 items maybe I'll keep. Anyway, that is my top box. There is a 500 subscriber giveaway that should be popping up soon. Please hit like if you like this video. If not, leave a comment below on what you think of the items I did get. As well, there's a 500 subscriber giveaway. I'm 11 people away, so try and get your friends to sign up. All you have to do is like, share, and comment on that video. Sorry, it's been a long day. And then I also have an Ipsy video from last month that I had 2 bags made up. If you want to try and win one of those, you're more than welcome to. Thanks for watching.